Hey parents, it's Mr. Wirt and Mrs. Kempfert here, just kind of continuing with our spelling tutorial videos for you to use at home with your kids. This one is on open vowels, so the last tutorial was on closed vowels, so this one is looking at open vowels. So what does that mean? So if we take this first word here, we're going to pretend we don't know what it says, B-R-O-K-E-N. Our divide and conquer rules. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find those vowels, in this case O, E. Alright? Just like we did in the closed vowel tutorial, we are going to look between the vowels and see how many consonants there are. In this case, all we have is the K. So if we go down our list, nope, there's not two consonants. There's not two consonants at the same time. There's not three consonants. Oh, look, we have this new rule that your kids have been learning here recently, that there is one consonant. So we usually divide after the vowel. So in this case, our break is going to be between the O and the K. So now we go to our first syllable, B-R-O. We identify the vowel. This time, there are no consonants after the O. So we say that this is an open vowel, and we use one of these macrons above it to signify that it is the long O sound, not the short ah sound. Our second syllable, we have a consonant after the E, so that is closed and the short sound. So our word would be broken, broken, or how we pronounce it, broken. So, Ms. Kempfert, you want to try this next word, D-E-M-A-N-D?
Okay, again, you look at the word, you don't know what the word says, and you look down your rules, and you dot each vowel. Okay, I dotted each vowel. Then I look down and I see that after the vowel, I have a consonant, which means I go down here and I see one consonant usually divided after the vowel, so I divide it right there. And then I look at my other vowel, and I see that there's consonants afterwards. So I'm looking at this one right now. This is open. E is making the E sound. The A is closed in by these other consonants. Consonant, vowel, and it's making the short A sound, so it's closed.
All right. And our last one up here, we have C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T. Again, your kids are learning that they have to identify the vowels every time. O-O-A. After they identify the vowels, they go through their divide and conquer rules. Between the first two O's, we have N and S. That is our two consonants. Divide between them. Boom. Between the O and the A, we only have one consonant. So that's down here. Usually you divide after the vowel. So between the O and the N. Then I go back. I check my vowels. Are they going to be open vowels? Are they going to be closed vowels? So the first O, there's an N afterwards. It is closed. Short sound. Second syllable, the O has no consonants after it. It becomes open, long sound. And our last vowel has consonants afterwards. It becomes closed, short sound. Consonant. 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 All right?
Another strategy that I have and my kids have been learning is to say the word, syllabicate the word, and stretch the word, which helps when you are reading and also helps when you're writing. So, for example, let's take the word that is on our spelling list this week, the word final. So you say the word, final, syllabicate, put your hand underneath your jaw, see how many times you have your jaw drops, final, you stretch it, final, then you write it, final, I heard two syllables, no. So I know that I have a vowel, vowel, divide after the A, which makes this a long vowel sound because it's open. And then over here, I have consonant, vowel, consonant, which tells me it's closed in, and it makes a short vowel sound. That is a strategy called say syllabic gate instruction.
So there's just another quick tutorial on the difference between open vowels, closed vowels. Again, if you have questions, feel free to contact your child's third grade teacher. Thanks, everyone.